Okay, let's see. What am I cooking here today? Spaghetti. Right there. See spaghetti. Let's go to the pot. Look at that steam coming up. See it? Sliced diced tomatoes with meatballs. See the meatballs? Meatballs, potato, and eggplant. There's eggplant in here. You can see it right there. See that? That's eggplant. Right there. Yeah. And let that cook a while. So I'll be eating some of this and spaghetti. And the rest of the week I'll have more of this for dinner when I come home from work. Alright, so there it is. Should be cooked now. You can see the meatballs in there. So, let me put it out on the plate. I got Nutrament here. I'm also going to make a banana shake with this. Real banana. Put it in there with this. Got my salad ready. Avocado right there. Yeah. Peppers, tomatoes, lettuce. All set. Okay, bananas. Banana is all sliced up. This here, Nutrament. Open. Put these in. This is real banana. And I'm gonna pour this in right there. Make a nice shake there. Okay. Put this on, cover right there. And let's turn this on. That should be good enough. See? Right there. Look at that. Look how it looks. We'll see you at the dinner table. Okay, so here it is. The meatballs, tomatoes, potatoes, and you have eggplant right there, spaghetti, and this is of course the salad here, avocado, right there. You have tomatoes, right? Yeah. Very tasty looking stuff. See that? And I did this in another video. I'm going to put all this on YouTube. This is the banana shake I made with the Nutrament. Pour it in. Right there. That's it. Alright, bon appetit.